Hey working moms, want to learn how to use my simple 5-step program to plan your next family vacation or romantic getaway in 90 minutes or less? Then you've come to the right place because I've just started a brand new VIP Facebook group called the Working Moms Vacation Club. My name is Rhonda, and like many of you, I am a wife, a mother, and I work full-time. I started my agency because I'm passionate about helping working moms just like me, plan their next vacation with my 5 simple step method in 90 minutes or less. When time is precious, let me make the plans so you can make the memories. In Working Moms Vacation Club, busy working moms can learn how to plan cruise, all-inclusive resort, and theme park vacations. You can meet other busy working moms. You can entertain yourself with fun travel memes and challenges. There are tips, tricks, and all kinds of extra benefits to joining the club. So let me tell you what some of those key benefits are. Benefit number 1, you get access to the full details of my simple 5-step program to planning your next family vacation or romantic getaway in 90 minutes or less. Number 2, every week I have live travel webinars where I cover a wide variety of travel topics and tips, and every now and then I will just let you into my life and let you get to know me a little. Number 3, I do post fun and entertaining travel content, memes, games, and other things like that. So come on in, have fun, get to know one another. It doesn't have to be travel all the time. We can post fun things about other topics too. And number 4, the last benefit is you can get to know other working moms who love to travel. And when you join one of our group trips, maybe you can even build lifelong travel friendships. As a special bonus, if you also decide to join my mailing list, I'm going to send you a brand new guide I put together to the 7 benefits of all-inclusive resorts. This is just for those people who want to opt into my mailing list, but it is completely optional. You can just get your invitation to the group and not join the mailing list. Don't wait, click sign up to join the club. I can't wait to see you there. Thanks, bye.